I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Jamaican-style shrimp soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, a variety of colorful vegetables, and those signature Jamaican spices. Take a moment to clean and deveined your shrimp, then chop all your vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Don't forget the creamy coconut milk, fresh thyme, and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic kick. Now let's build the rich flavor base for our soup. In a large pot, gently sauté your finely chopped garlic, onion, and a touch of fresh ginger until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, add your prepared vegetables, like diced carrots, potatoes, and pumpkin, stirring them in well. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of vegetable broth along with 1 can of creamy coconut milk, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. It's time to add our star ingredient. Carefully place the cleaned shrimp into the simmering soup base. Now, for that authentic Jamaican taste, season generously with fresh thyme sprigs, a few pimento berries, and gently drop in a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. Be careful not to break it. Let the soup gently simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully and the shrimp to cook through. Your Jamaican shrimp soup is almost ready. Before serving, carefully remove the whole Scotch bonnet pepper to avoid any unexpected heat. Garnish your bowls with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or some finely chopped scallions for a burst of color and extra flavor. Serve this comforting soup piping hot, perhaps alongside some warm hard dough bread or your favorite crackers. Enjoy every delicious spoonful of this vibrant, flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.